Welcome to the installation video, Fishbone Offroad's inner fender accent plate, exclusive to our logo inner fenders for Jeeps 07 to 18 JK Wrangler. Step 1. Prepare your plates by priming and painting them so that they are coated on opposite sides of one another for driver and passenger sides. Step 2. Using the included adhesive foam, trace the edges of the inside of the plate while staying away from the visible center and covering as much material as possible. Step 3. Remove the backing of the adhesive and firmly apply the plate behind your logo inner fender and repeat for the second fender. Step 4. Install or reinstall your inner fenders. Separate installation instructions are available on fishboneoffroad.com. Once all your hardware is secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road accent plates.